The other way of cross-examining is to contradict the witness. Now, contradiction is allowed under section 148 of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, in which the party will try to prove that the statement given by the witness is false. Now, this can be done by two ways. First is by the use of the previous statement given by the witness to the police or to the judicial officer. For example, if the witness given the testimony that the accused has committed a crime by shooting, then the accused can cross-examine the witness and can contradict him with his previous statement which he gave to the police. And the accused can show that before police, the witness said that the accused has committed the crime with the use of knife, not with gun. Now here the version given to the police and given to the court are totally different, because before court he said that accused committed a crime using gun, whereas before police he said that the accused has committed crime with knife. Now both the versions are different, so he is not reliable, he is lying. So this is the one way of contradicting the witness. The other is we can contradict the witness by using the other evidence. For example, if he is saying that the accused has committed a crime by shooting, but accused can contradict the witness with other evidences by showing the post-mortem report of the deceased, in which he can show that the deceased has died due to electric shock, not because of gunshot. Now, the statement of the witness is contradicted with the medical evidence. Now here also the statement given by the witness proved false. Now this is called contradiction. The major difference between contradiction and corroboration is, in contradiction we try to show that the statement given by the witness is false, whereas in corroboration we try to prove that the statement given by this witness is true and we are trying to support it with other evidences. The provision of contradiction is covered under section 148 of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, whereas corroboration is covered under section 160 of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. Third is, contradiction is always made by the opposite party, that is the party who is cross-examining the witness, whereas corroboration is made by the party who is calling the witness or who is doing the examination in chief. These are the major difference between corroboration and contradiction. I hope the difference is clear, and for more such videos, please like and subscribe.